There it is in operation. And then what you want to have here is you want to tighten this up probably with a wrench. So we'll undo this here. That and undo. We'll slide this off so you can see here. So what we've got is we've got this silicone tape wrapped right around the edge here, right up to the edge. And you can see that there's a step on this. This is the number 1 size, and there's a little step here. And that little step, you want to make that little step come right up against that edge. So if I peel this tape off here, you can see that there's an edge here. And you want to have this step right up against that, so that when this is tight, that step is right up against there. And crank that down really good, and it should be on nice and tight.